Hi, my name's Amanda Garcia, and I'm the Land Director for the Fort Bend Central Appraisal District. I am here to walk you through how to file for a Ag Appraisal Special Valuation. I'll be walking you through filling out the header, Section 1 and Section 2. If you are unsure how to locate the application, you can find it by going through our website at www.fbcad.org. Once you're there, you can go to the Agricultural Hub and scroll to the bottom where you can find the application available. Click on the link for the 1D1 Agricultural Appraisal Application Form 50-129. This should automatically route you to download the application and be able to access a PDF version that is fillable. I wanted to notate that this form is created by the Comptroller's Office. This is not a form that we created in-house. So you can access it through our website, or you can also search for it through the Comptroller's website as well. Once you're on the form, you will fill out the header part, which would indicate what appraisal district you're applying for, what your account number is, and what tax year you are applying for. You will be filling out Fort Bend Central Appraisal District, and then your account number if it's known. If you are unsure on how to access or identify what your account number is, you have a couple options. You can search through our Fort Bend CAD property search on our website. In this case, I searched it through the Fort Bend CAD website. Here I was able to identify our building located at 2801 BF Terry Boulevard, our quick reference ID, also our parcel ID, also identified as a geographic ID. These numbers are unique and associated to your account only, and you can use either one of these numbers. I prefer to use the quick reference number that typically begins with an R, since it's shorter and easier to memorize. So on my form, I'm going to write down that number, and I'm going to write what tax year. In this case, it is February 2026, so I will be applying for tax year 2026. Now that the header is completed, I am at the point where I can start filling out Section 1. Section 1 is where I'm going to put my personal information in. So I'm going to identify what type of property owner am I, or what type of applicant is this for. In this case, I am an individual applying for my own personal property. If you are a partnership or a corporation, or possibly an agent or trustee, you would want to select one of the other options. I'm going to put my full name, my date of birth, which I'm not telling you my full date of birth, your address, our phone number, and our email address. Now, the email address is not necessary. However, it is helpful to have that information in the event that one of our team members needs to contact you and are unable to access through a telephone. So, although not necessary, it is extremely helpful to have. And our mailing address, which may or may not be the same as our physical address. In this case, mailing address would be the same as our physical address.